Hello, sir.
Hello Sujit.
Yes, sir.
Actually, thousands of candidates have applied for the cloud developer role. So I need you to filter it out based on their resume and send it immediately to me.
Okay, sir. I will do that. Okay, sir. This resume is not good. I think this resume is really good, and I think this candidate will be really skilled. Has some course from the Google and IBM. Certification is also there. So I think he might be a good option. So I will just email it to the boss.
Hello guys, welcome to Career Consult. In the scenario which I shown before, so you might have understood that a candidate will be filtered based on the resume when there is more competition. Having a certification course from IBM, Google or any top company might help you in getting an interview call when there is more competition. So your resume is really your first impression, so it is really going to help. And in that resume, if you are having some of the technical skills which are from the certified from top companies, then that will really add value. So many students will be having, and the job seekers will be having a doubt, and this is the most popular and simple but very important doubt. So how to create our resume, so how to structure our resume. So definitely I'm not having any idea of that, because I'm also a student. I'm also having the same question. But what I did means I have tie up with resume specialist who will create a resume for you. So they will create resume from beginner level to the pro level. So it will really help you to stand out from the crowd. So as you know, resume is the first impression, and this is really important. If you're not getting any job, then if you're not getting any interview call, then the resume might be a really reason for that, and you need to update that. So for that I am providing this service for you guys, and this is not for free. Yes, I am definitely saying all of my courses or videos will be related to the free, but this is not for free. I have reduced the cost for you guys. So if you want to get your resume ready in order to crack the interviews, then you can just message me through the WhatsApp. So you can see the WhatsApp number here. So you can just message me through that WhatsApp. I will share that details with the professionals, and they will create a resume for you, and I will explain each and every detail through the WhatsApp. So you can just chat me there, and I will provide the service for you at the low cost. That's about the job placement. So I will be talking about these concept in my next video, because this video is not mainly for the job. This video is for providing the free courses from the top companies. Sorry for making more time to get into the content, but it was really important to make this announcement because it will really going to help you. So let's start with today's video. So let me start with IBM website. So you can see the website here. You can see the badges which will be providing by the IBM, and it is completely for free. You can enroll for any of these badges courses. So I'm just clicking on the data ops methodologies. So you can see the website here, and you can also click on learn more in order to learn more about the badges. So you can see whatever the courses you will be having, you will be getting the badge at the end, and it may take 4 to 6 hours to complete, and the level is beginner. And you can just click on the start free course here. So now after completing this course, I will be getting a badge of the data ops methodologies. You can get more than 20 learning path, means the badges here, and if you compare to the course, then you will be getting more than 70 courses here. So if you want to learn any learning path, then you can go for the badges, or if you just want to learn any course, then you can just click on any of the course. All of the content will be for free, and you can just enroll and finish this course, and you will be getting the badges or certification. So this is about the IBM, and I have already mentioned this in my previous video, but I think this video will be more engaging than that video, so I thought of including that. So now let us go to the Microsoft, and Microsoft is also providing the free courses, not certification. For certification you have to pay. So they are providing the free courses. So you can see the courses which will be providing by them. The streams like developer, data engineer, DevOps engineer, security engineer, data analyst. So you can see all of that which will be provided by the Microsoft for free. So for the certification you have to pay. So I'm just clicking on one of the certification. So if you come below, then you can see the online courses will be there in order to prepare for this certification. So all of these online courses will be for free and you can just go and learn that. But if you click on the instructor led paid, then you have to pay. Microsoft is also providing some of the offer for the students. So if you are a student, then you will be having 48% of the offer. So you might be saying why I need to get certified from the Microsoft. So here they have provided the reason. If you are a student, then you will be getting the college credit, and also you will be get promoted soon if you have the certification from the top companies. So as usual, you know, and make more money. Yes, because of if you promote, then you will be having good money, also good hike also. So you can see the steps here. So I'll be providing all of the link, so don't worry about that. Just see the procedure here, then you can just go and do the courses for free, but you won't be getting certification in the Microsoft. And also for certification you have to write exam, and also you have to pay for that exam. So I'm just going to the next one, that is Salesforce. The Salesforce is also providing the free courses, completely free courses along with the badges. So here they will be providing the badges, and you will be having the opportunity to learn the in-demand skills, and also you can learn some of the learning pathway. You can enroll for their learning pathway and you can learn that. So I don't think there is a need for explaining more in this video, because you can easily sign up for this website, and you can just create an account here and you can get all of this content for free. And you will be having more than 170 modules, and also projects will be there. So if you just click on the learn here, you can see here you will be having trials, modules, projects. In the project you will be getting a hands-on with step-by-step instruction. You will be getting the instruction also. So if you just click on the career path, then you will be getting the career path, as I said, learning path. So you can see here there are Salesforce administrators, Salesforce developers, Salesforce architect. So you will be having all of these career path for free. Once you click on this, you will be getting all of the courses which are related to this career path. So you can enroll for that course for free, and you will be getting the badges and also some of the XPs, means they will be provide some points for completing some of the modules. So I think this will be really like game, and it will be very interacting and you can learn easily. So now let us go to the Google. So Google is providing so many courses for free. So here you can see here, this is from the Digital Garage website of the Google, and you can see here 144 courses are for free, but out of that you will be getting only one course for free along with the certification. So you can see this is the course. This course will be having the certification, and it will take 40 hours, and it will be having 26 modules. So you can learn from this. If you want to get knowledge about the digital marketing, then I think this will be a really good opportunity for you. You can get good concept here, you can get the fundamentals here. So this is from the Google, and you will be getting the certification also. You can see the course features here. So the remaining 144 courses will be for free, but you won't be getting the certificate. If you are planning to start your business, then I think this will be really going to help, because you will be getting skilled and you will be getting idea of how to rank your product or website by all of these digital marketing courses. So you can see here, expand a business to the other countries. So I think this will be really going to help you. So this is from the Google Digital Garage. So that is not the end. Google is also providing some more opportunity for you, and I have already previously talked about the Google Developer Certification. The reason I am including this in video means this is really going to help you if you have the certification. So I will just click on one of these certification details in order to get the details. So you can see the website here. So if you come below, then you can see the study guide. So what does this provide means you can get the complete details of the exams, and also they will be providing the guide in order to prepare for that exam. So you can prepare for that exam, and if you get the certificate, then that will really going to help you. So the next from the Google is Skillshop. So here you will be getting the certification for the Google products. So you can see here Google Ads, you can get the certification for all of this, and here you will be getting the course content. That may be in the text or video, you have to learn that, and after giving some assignment you will be getting the certification. So Google Marketing Platform and Analytics Academy, Google My Business, ways, so you will be getting the certification for all of this. So this is for today's video, and this video is a part 1 video of the certification from the top companies. Part 2 video will be coming soon, so please stay tuned and also share this video with all of your friends so that they can also get benefit from this video. And if you want to get your resume ready in order to crack the interview, then you can just WhatsApp me through this number. And if you watch this video until here, then I really request you to comment down which course you will be going to enroll. As it is for free, you can just comment it down which course you are interested and which course you will be going to enroll. Please share this video, like this video. Thank you very much, guys.